Welcome. How to find the equation of the circle if the endpoints of the diameter AB is given. Extremities are given, x1, y1 is the endpoint of the diameter, and also x2, y2 is also a endpoint of the diameter, given diameter. Now, how can you find the equation of the circle? Now, let us discuss the topic. Now, the equation of the required circle is this one: x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2 plus y minus y1 multiplied by y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. Now, we have another problem. Find the equation of the circle whose extremities of a diameter are 1, 2 and 4, 5. Suppose this is 1, 2 and B is 4, 5. So how to find the equation of the circle? Now what is the basic concept? Here I have considered a point P. If you observe this one, this is a right angle triangle is formed. A right angled triangle is formed. In a semicircle, if you consider any point C, I have taken a circle. I would like to demonstrate this one. So this is I have folded it into half circle. Semicircle is formed. So at any place I would like to, this is point P. At this one, this is PB, this is PA. Now if you observe this one, a right angle triangle is formed with a PAB. This is PAB. PAB, a right angle triangle is formed. So that's what we have discussed. A right angle triangle is formed. Now, based on this property, how many methods are there to find the equation of the required circle? Now, this is this is the formula to find the equation of the circle. And method 2. Method 2, we know the formula, standard equation of the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h comma k is the center. This C is the center, h comma k. And what is the C value? So this is C is nothing but the midpoint of AB. C is nothing but, center is nothing but midpoint of A and B, the extremities. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, h comma k. And what is the radius? Now we have to find the radius. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. Radius is nothing but half of the diameter. That means half of the distance between A and B. We have noted down half into distance between 2 points. Square root of half into square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is how we can apply method 2 to find the equation of the circle. Method 3. We have, if you observe this one, PA and PB, these two are perpendicular to each other. See, in this one, this is PAB. This is PA and PB. We know that if two lines are perpendicular, their slopes are, the product of their slopes is equal to -1. So based on this property, slope of PA equal to slope of, multiplied by slope of PB equal to -1. Slope of AP multiplied by slope of BP equal to -1. Why? Because this angle P, angle APB is 90 degrees. Angle APB is 90 degrees is formed. So it is a right angle triangle. So the product of the slopes of these two lines, this line and this line, is equal to -1. So using this method we can find the equation of the circle. Now we discuss method 4. In this method we note down circle equation, general equation of the circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then how can you find the values of g and f? We know center is minus g comma minus f, and hence center is nothing but the midpoint of AB. So here see, center is nothing but midpoint of AB. That means x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is how you can find g comma f. Then how to find the value of c here in this equation? To find the value of c in this equation, we can substitute the points either a or b. That means x1 y1 or x2 y2 to find the value of c. This is method 4. Now method 5. In this method 5 we use Pythagorean theorem. See, we have discussed triangle APB. Triangle APB is a right angle triangle. So what we conclude is, since it is a right angle triangle, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. So that's what we have noted down. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Here we discussed this is a right angle triangle. So this is right angle triangle, side, and AB becomes diameter, becomes the hypotenuse. So PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. Using this formula we can find the equation of the circle. Now we discuss the formula distance between 2 points. What is the formula to find the distance between 2 points? Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the formula for distance between 2 points. Now what is the formula to find the slope? The formula for slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This formula is used here. So in fact, using this formula only, that is slope of AP into slope of BP equal to -1, we have derived this equation: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So students are advised to use this formula: x minus x1 plus into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. But students can solve the problems, the same problem. Welcome. Now we discuss how to find the equation of the circle when extremities of the diameter are given. Extremities of diameter of a circle are given. That is here a x1 y1, b x2 y2. These are extremities of diameter. These two are given, a and b are given. Then how to find the equation of the circle? Now we use this formula: x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2 plus y minus y1 multiplied by y minus y2 equal to 0 to find the required circle equation. The problem is find the equation of the circle whose extremities of a diameter are 1, 2 and 4, 5. Here in this problem it is mentioned extremities of a diameter. That means this circle can have so many diameters. So that in particular one diameter is given and its extremities of one diameter is given. Now let these 2 points are a x1 y1 equal to 1 comma 2 and b x2 y2 equal to 4 comma 5. Now substituting these values in the equation, x minus x1 multiplied by x minus x2 plus y minus y1 multiplied by y minus y2 equal to 0. So we have substituted these values here in this equation. Now on expanding this one, x multiplied by this bracket minus 1 into this bracket plus y into y minus 5 minus 2 into y minus 5. So now on expanding and simplifying this one, we get the required equation x square plus y square minus 5x minus 7y plus 10 equal to 0. So this is the required circular equation. This is how we have found the equation of the circle when the endpoints of a diameter of a circle are given. Now students can solve some more problems. Some exercise problems are given here. Now you can solve these 4 problems. Students can apply any other valid methods to find the equation of the circle for this model.